In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo in Yahoo Mail. Now to do this, first you want to click on New Message, top left, or of course you could also have an existing message already. And then if you want to add a photo, there's actually three ways. The first way is going to be to copy and paste a photo. So I have some randomly generated image over here, which I'm going to show you right now. And I'm going to go and right click and I'm going to copy it like this. And if I go out back inside my email, I'm going to right click and click on paste. As you can see, I've successfully added that specific photo into my Yahoo Mail. That's the first way to do this. Then the second one is going to be to attach it as a file. So I'm going to click on attach file, and then I'm going to go and find my image. So I do have a few over here. I'm actually just going to find one random one, maybe the same one depending on which one pops up. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to click on it and click on open, and it's going to be attached as a attachment over here to my email. And then the third way is going to be to actually just drag and drop it in here. So once you find an image, you can just drag and drop it, and as you can see, it's going to be put in here as an image like this. Okay, so those are all the ways to add photos in Yahoo Mail. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.